You want to hold that? Don't press the trigger.
You don't want to hit any rock on it, you might get damaged.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me try to do a close up. It looks just from the camera. It looks almost like a real boat.
That cool?
Yeah.
I'll try to get close. About this way.
That's far, dude. You can control the speed, huh? Yeah. Hey, come up here. Come up here. Come slow. I want to get a close up. You might hit the rock on. It's powerful. It has a lot of power.
Yeah. Fine, bud.
Hey, if the battery's running low, do you know?
No. Here, you try.
Here,
Turn your thing off.
turn it off.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, just turn off so you do it full.
What's the name of the... Is this a boat? It's a boat. What's the name of it?
MC41.
MC41.
Oh, by TRAXXAS.
Something's wrong.
You want to hold that? Walking. Don't press the trigger.
Okay. Maybe something's stuck under the...
Try that again. With a little weed. It's already dead.
I think the battery's low, huh?
Yes, sir.
It's low, huh?
Sounds weird, huh? Yeah, it sounds like that. Let's go back. It don't sound right. No. Keep fishing. You gonna keep fishing?
Yeah, I'll keep fishing.
I think I got it working now. They don't have a lot of power now.
I think I think the problem started when I put it on reverse. You think so?
It could be. 'Cause see, I don't have shit.
Actually, never mind. Never mind. It wasn't because I put it on reverse.
No.
Ah!
Easy.
I don't want to get blamed for it, so we'll forget I
think
ever said that.
It only works in reverse.
It only work on reverse?
Yeah, the cable got snapped, I think. Or just got loose.
Did you fix it?
I think it's the cable. Cable got loose.
Do you know which cable it is?
Huh?
Do you know which cable it is?
Shit was smoking walking.
Do you want me to come I'll take a look, maybe I'll figure out.
It was smoking. It's something to do with this cable.
Is this supposed to be like this?
Yeah. Well, it's not plugged in. I plugged it out. It just got loose.
We got enough on video, so it's good.
Huh?
We have enough on video.
Yeah. Well, you saw it.
Yeah.
It just got loose. Something got loose in it.